Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com, located in the Tranquil Unity Hall community and sits on 0.26 acres. This family home features a single car garage, two ground floor bedrooms, a bathroom, a spacious kitchen, and inviting patio spaces. The first floor boasts a large living room, a primary bedroom with an ensuite, a study with vaulted ceilings and air conditioners, patios upstairs. The basement, accessible from the backyard, houses a one-bedroom flat with a kitchenette. This versatile space can be used for a guest, extended family, or even as a rental opportunity. A storeroom is all set up to reinstall a generator. There is also ample water storage on the property and a constant supply from the city. Located within 10 minutes from commercial centers and schools, this home is an oasis of comfort and convenience. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $395,000 or Jamaican $60.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.